Yeah.
they win by running around because they don't really let people run around in my farm.
Don't you usually?
Where are we going? Where?
Hi, my name is Maya.
And amongst other things, I have Asperger's.
For my whole life I've been told that I'm different, although for some reason people like to dress it up with words like creative, or quirky, or interesting. Because of that, I thought that this project would be a good opportunity for me to show how it feels.
But whilst researching, I found that Hollywood has, unfortunately, already turned these feelings into many cliches. And I realised that this video may have to be more about what I'm not than what I am.
I'm not a manic pixie dream girl. I'm not a basket case. I'm not Rain Man.
I'm an excellent driver.
And I'm not a psycho. I still like to do a lot of the same things that everyone else likes doing. I still like hanging out with friends. I still watch too much TV. I still like listening to music. And sometimes when I see how people like me are portrayed on the big screen, it feels like something's consuming me from inside out. An idea, a feeling that I'll never reach the standards that society and Hollywood have set. It feels like someone's taken me in for show and tell. I feel like an exhibit, separate from everyone else. It feels like my life's being trivialized over and over again.
Oh my god, do you have Asperger's? I have so many Asperger's characteristics. Like, once I organized my books in subject order when my teacher told me to. I mean, how weird is that?
It feels like I'm alone in black and white, surrounded by colors. So I'd like everyone to know, what I am is me. A little different, a little weird, but I'm no cliche.